All right, Keith, we've been talking about it all day. Not a great day out there.
No.
And it kind of depends on where you're at. And I'm wondering, too, are there going to be any, like, commute issues tonight, tomorrow morning?
No, I don't think so. I mean, you're not going to like walking to and from your car, but I think otherwise we'll be okay. There's a couple of patches right now, guys, where there's a little freezing drizzle. At least that's what the radar algorithm thinks. Surface temperatures right around freezing. This is the warm front stuck to our south, and so the moisture's what we call it overrunning, running over the top of the front itself. 38 in Portland, no issue other than that's not nice. And it's rainy there down all into York County as well. Again, Freiburg's sitting at 32, 33, so I could see that going either way. It's either very cold rain or maybe a little freezing drizzle going on there. So there's our front. We want it to be here in the mild sector, but not to be. Front here instead of here made all the difference. So it's going to ride to the east tonight, give us a couple of slugs of rain off and on. Tomorrow's a cloudy day, and then our last slug of precipitation moves in tomorrow night. And that's the one that's most interesting because high pressure to the north starts pushing cold air down from Canada, and that transitions us over from rain in most spots to snow and freezing rain. So there'll be periods of rain tonight. It's not all that pleasant, but I don't think it'll be a problem, as Sammy asked, as far as travel goes, because surface temperatures stay warm enough. And so late tonight, another round comes through, 37, 38 degrees, rain. North of Millinocket, there is some snow there. That's the only spot that could see some slick roads tomorrow morning. And during the day tomorrow, a lot of the day is just kind of cloudy with a little bit of drizzle here and there, upper 30s to around 40. And then here comes that last area of precipitation tomorrow night. And watch this cold air. I mean, Caribou's 16, right? Bangor's 31. Watch this. Pushes it down. And so Bangor changes over to snow. Waterville, maybe into the Kingfield area, Rangeley, Berlin, New Hampshire. But we get into this big extended area after midnight of freezing drizzle. It's not really heavy stuff, and that's good. But the temperature profile is such that it's, remember what freezing rain is. Maybe we should start there, which is it's very cold at the surface, but everything above it is warm. So it's rain, 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 and then bam, it hits and freezes. And that's what's going to happen here in the pink area. North of there will be snow, and there'll be some sleet pellets mixed in there as well. All this moves out by Thursday, midday at the latest, and things are quieter after that. So the saving grace here is there isn't that much moisture. That kind of temperature profile with a lot of moisture could be a problem. We could get real ice accretion. 0.1, that's just a little coating. So that's what we'll see Wednesday night. And then snow amounts here, several inches possible from Bangor to Waterville to Rangeley. I'd say 3 to 6 is a fair zone for this whole area here. And depending on where the front is, it could shift a little this way or that way. But that's where the snow will be. Not a huge deal, but it hasn't been very wintry lately, so this may seem like kind of a big deal just because of where we've been at. Snow showers around Friday, no big deal there, and then quiet over the weekend, but more seasonable. In fact, temperatures on Sunday will reach the 30s, but fall into the 20s in a lot of spots by the afternoon. Partly cloudy on Monday, right around 40, back to freezing on Tuesday. We're watching something maybe for mid-month. That's kind of where we're looking ahead for storms. But until then, no all snowstorms, just this light wintry mix. And again, the key there, guys, is it is relatively light.
So weird.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Keith.